Finally, after a long period of time, I'm launching a new product, that is customized gift box. This is how it looks. Categories are divided into two parts. First is affordable customized gift box, and second is premium customized gift box. Affordable customized gift box is something that this inventory is readily available with me, so the prices will be very affordable, and plus it will be shipped to you immediately. Premium customized gift box is something that is your imagination, which has to be brought into the life by me. Now, this takes a lot of time to make, to understand your imagination, and so the shipping will take a lot of time. Plus, the prices will be premium, and it depends from product to product. Now, what products will be available in affordable customized gift box? One could be resin keychains, earrings, or anything whichever is available in my inventory. Now, what happens whenever I make any kind of a product in resin? Sometimes I calculate ratios and it gets miscalculated. So, there is a little bit extra resin remaining. So, what I do is instead of throwing it, I just pour it in a mold of keychains. So, I always have some kind of um, extra resin keychains or earrings somewhere on the other. So, this product will be very affordable in range. And second is that I am launching a new product, that is candles. So these are two products which will be available in affordable range. However, if you want anything customized, it will go into the premium range, the same product. So that being said, let's open the customized gift box, which is affordable range, and just have a look at it. Just see. This is how it is going to get open. Oh my god, the packaging is so good. And this is the candle. I have made this swirl candle. There will be some more ranges available. For now, I have a swirl candles. It looks so cute. And in the similar way, you can close it also. This is how it looks. It's so cute. These candles are made with soy wax, so they are eco-friendly, not like other candles which have some serious toxic chemicals in them. Now, whenever you are buying any product, you should know the uses of that product. For candle, I am telling you top 3 uses. First is common use, that is home decor. Second is something that is meditation. You can use it for meditation purposes. A lot of classes insist you to meditate via candles. It helps you to reduce your specs number, so it's very great. Third is you can make kajals out of it. Now, a kajal stick costs you easily up to 400 to 800 rupees, which has a lot of toxic elements. But if you have a time to make homemade kajal, then why to invest into a kajal stick when you can make it at home? So just use it for making kajals. Not only this, but you can reuse the customized gift box. I understand there's a logo on this thing, my watermark. Nobody likes a watermark, so there's always a jugaad to everything. Now, what you can do is you can grab some printed paper, you can wrap it around, you can use your own imagination. If you don't want to do it, you can hire someone who can do it for you. I will show you how I have customized this gift box into a trendy, good gift box so that I can gift it without anybody's logo on it. And that's it. So from this video, you have definitely learned how to reuse one product into multiple products. And I hope that this video was beneficial to you. For now, bye bye.